This is Abubakar.
Hi, I'm Abubakar, and I wanted to help rebuild my country.
Abubakar was born and raised here in the African nation of Liberia. His country suffered from civil wars for more than a dozen years, making life difficult for all its citizens.
And because of the civil war, the schools and the education system had been completely destroyed.
With no education, Abubakar and his countrymates could not succeed. That's when he took matters into his own hands and went online.
And on the internet, I found the University of the People.
University of the People is an online, tuition-free, accredited American university that promised Abubakar a world-class education in his hometown of Liberia.
By God's grace, I was so happy to find it.
In 2 years only, he graduated with a computer science degree from University of the People and has become a teacher.
They provided education for me, and after I graduated, I was able to find a job to teach a school. Now I teach students how to use the technology to change their life as it changed mine.
Abubakar is now leading the education revolution in his home country because at the end of the day, he is living proof. If you educate one person, you can educate a nation.
My name is Abubakar, and I'm a proud graduate of the University of People.